Hey, this is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to answer your question to what is Warrior Forum? But before I do any of that, if this is the first time you're watching me, I come out with videos like this on online marketing, internet marketing, digital marketing, more specifically, affiliate marketing. And I show you how to make a passive income doing it, how to automate it, and how to do this realistically full time. So follow me for those videos that I already have and more things coming up in the future. Let's go ahead and cut to this. In a matter of seconds, I'm going to get into the share screen and show you what Warrior Forum is, what it isn't, and how you can use it to your advantage to grow online. Um, so I've been doing this for some time now, and I've been seeing a whole bunch of different forums out there in the internet marketing space, and that's what Warrior Forum is. It's a huge. It's like the go-to for internet marketers, internet marketing forum. There's nothing really that's bigger to it. I mean, you have a whole bunch of little other places when you have an industry or a niche you're in, but this is the ideal place for like people who are making money online in that niche and so forth. So let me go ahead and get into a share screen here. And we're on my Facebook at the moment, but here I am at Warrior Forum. I'm logged into a different account. This one isn't upgraded. Just wanted to show you, just quickly logged into one of my Google accounts through it. You can log in through Facebook. You do things like that. Um, and by the way, I also have an article to this that I'll link to it down below in the description, so you can actually see this word for word that I made for you. And I might just show you that a little bit at the end, how that looks, so you can get access to it at my site. But really, it's just a forum where, let's go here to feed once you're logged in. Mainly this is like the dashboard. So when you come into this, actually, let me go to Warrior Forum here. Basically the same thing. And so what I can go is do is scroll down through here, and you have it by categories, right? Categories and rows, right? You have all that row categories. But the Warrior Forum is right here. The last post, threads, the type of posts that are getting the amount of attention. So you have 2 millions worth of people for these two, and then you have 1,000. So you're seeing people are contributing into these groups. And you can even see the last post, which is the 14th of February, which is today. Happy Valentine's Day. And so you can go through here and get help on specific things. So this is the main internet marketing discussion forum. So this is where like a lot of people would probably go to. So if I clicked here, then I can go ahead and read through it. It'll tell you information about it. You can see more from other things, right? And basically, it's kind of a derivative. When I mean derivative, meaning like it's an attachment to Warrior Plus. If you've heard of Warrior Plus, if you've already probably been associated with them, you have an idea already. But I'll also make a video for that down below. So if you want to know about what Warrior Plus is and how it can help you make money online, then I'm going to go ahead and put that video for you right there. So check that out. It's an affiliate. Basically, it's an affiliate marketing like marketplace in a way. And affiliate marketing, if you don't know, it's really just the promoting of other people's products, or if you even have your own products, you can sell those products. But it's not really selling if you know how to do it the right way. And that's what I show. And I also have my boring 5 steps to making $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing, that you can also check out, and I'll leave in that video, or I'll probably leave it underneath this one so you can take a look at that and get to know more about it. So this is the Internet Marketing Forum. So there's announcements, there's a thread. It's pretty simple, right? You just go in here. Welcome to the Warrior Forum. If you want to check that out, you can. And you can answer people's problems, answer people's questions more so, but you're going through their problems. Or if you have a question yourself, you can ask one. Target audience, you can click on this one and see what that's about. And see people here are responding to people And you can do that as well. You can do things like a quote, a multi-quote, a quick reply, or a simple thanks. You can share this on other places, so you can uh, tell more people about this place if they need help themselves, or if they want to come in here and help other people. Something that you're gonna encounter a lot of the time, it's not on this account, but I'll go into it in a bit. See how this person, Mabu here, has answered the question, or has gone ahead and give feedback. Then you can have a signature underneath here. Signatures are gonna help, and this is a good way. Just if you're already an internet marketer, or if you're thinking about getting into it, this is a good way to get free traffic to your offers. But most people, what they do is they link directly to the merchant or that retailer, right? And they try to make a sell that way. And that's not the way to do this. I don't teach that myself. What you want to do is take them into like a blog post, or where then ask for an email address, or more so, take them to a landing page that'll ask for their email address. In exchange, you give them something like a PDF, a freebie in return. Now you have that email address to follow up with them and do much more. But that's time for another video. I have tons of other videos on this stuff. But here it is. You can create a signature, and this person is likely taking them to let me see here, to a landing page, and it's a free training. There it is. It's a landing page. Free video training, a simple, proven step-by-step system that I used to make $150 a day in the free time. Okay, so that's a landing page. That's what you could do with the signature. Once you have a freebie, it's a freebie you give away, right? It's something that's like sexy you give away, and that's basically affiliate marketing, or internet marketing, anything related. So you can build a relationship with people, make people make a micro commitment with you. And so how do you do all this, right? I'm just going to show you like the cost of getting a signature, right? This one's not upgraded, but if I go down here, you usually have a little signature spot down here in your settings and options, that you can go to and customize yourself and make it like that other person did, right? For this example, watch, I'm going to show you. It says signatures, pay a $5 one-time fee to be able to use text signatures on your posts. And then subscribe now for $97 a year. You don't have to do all that. Images, just go through the cost of that stuff. And there are some cost attachments, but you can just contribute into this forum without having to go through that. It is helpful. If you're not going to be as active, it's okay, I guess. I'm not as active as I used to be on here, but it is helpful for understanding yourself. If you want to learn more about something you didn't know, you're going to get insight from people. They also have blogs, post to your blog, recent entries, best blogs, blog lists. The forums here, you can go into your forums, threads that you're following, so you can customize this and follow different types of industries. So there are a whole bunch of different ones you can go through, like SEO, search engine optimization, which is what I do, which is I'm an SEO. I work on understanding how to rank blog posts on the first page of Google. That's where I started, and now, as you can see, I have a YouTube channel. But if you want to learn more about that, how to rank blog posts and stuff like that, I'll also leave a link down below. But check out that Warrior Plus video that I'm going to have for you. Yeah, I'll have more information on that there because it's more related. So here you can just categorize. If you go down here, get new, top, and then all the threads that you're going to learn from, that you'll want to if you want to get into them. Ad networks, PPC, SEM, social media, offline, copywriting, e-com, Mind Warriors, product reviews, email marketing, and so much more on this side as well. But you can go through those, learn, type in something here if you need help, go through your messages, customize things the way you want to, and then just go through here. There's sometimes a special offer. WSOs are deals available exclusively through Warrior Forum that no one else can beat. WSOs, watch, let me click here, hold on a second. You can even scroll down here to the right side and watch that widget sidebar. And then WSOs, click there. There's offers that can be given to you if you want them. You don't have to take them. And so forth, okay? So that's Warrior Forum in a nutshell. I'm gonna also have things on Warrior Plus. So if you haven't seen that video, make sure you look down below in the description because I'll have a video done for that as well. If you want to, like I mentioned, take my guide on understanding affiliate internet marketing, but also more specifically affiliate marketing, not having to own your own products. Or if you want to own your products, you can do that at one point, but if you could just start out without them, I'll have my blueprint down below, my recommendations for that, and just so much more you can learn from me making money online, doing this the right ways. All right, guys, that's everything from me. Look in the description. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, do let me know.